Zelda. Are you outside of the bird mansion? The bird mansion. Are you just chilling? Are you just hanging out, Zelda? Hi, Zania. You know I never leave you out. Hi, Zania. Hi, Zania. You know you're never left out. Hi, Zania. Hi, Zania. Hi, Zania. Hi, Zania. Zelda. I see you, Zelda. I see you. Ooh, they're so plump. Look how plump this bird is. That's because they eat good. You be eating good? Say, yeah. Say, we be eating good up in here. That's right. They sure do. They sure do. They be eating good. Look how plump these birds are. Oh, my.